Introduction of group discussion.
Hello friends. A group discussion can be defined as a formal discussion involving 10 to 12 participants in a group. It is a methodology used by an organization to gauge whether the candidate has certain personality traits and skills that it desires in its members. In this methodology, the group of candidates is given a topic or a situation, given a few minutes to think about the same, and then asked to discuss it among themselves for 15 to 20 minutes.
Ability to work in a team, communication skills, reasoning ability, leadership skills, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity, ability to think on one's feet.
Why do we have group discussion? Group discussion allows you to exchange information and ideas and gives you the experience of working in a team. In the workplace, discussions enable management to draw on the ideas and expertise of staff and to acknowledge the staff as a valued members of a team.
Reasons for having a group discussion. It helps you to understand a subject more deeply. It improves your ability to think critically. It helps in solving a particular problem. It helps the group to make a particular decision. It gives you the chance to hear other students' ideas. It improves your listening skills. It increases your confidence in speaking. It can change your attitudes.